That's like burn too much oil. Come from here to the the exhaust. I thought it was the low unit, but I'm not sure because the come from here. A lot of smoke from here, and I think it's go to the bottom. A lot of smoke. Look at this. I'm gonna take the paper towel and look at this. Jesus Christ, look. It's black. Something's wrong because this, come over here, my love. It's a carburetor. I'm gonna let me look at this. It's a 6 carburetor, 3 each size. I mean, I will clean up everything, but I'm not sure. I try to, I forget the name, but the only thing I know, it's a lot of smoke. It's not supposed to be like this. Thank you very much.